Live feed from Iseberg, Sweden. Going down the hidden trail. Oh, a little bit of a slip up there. Say hi to the camera, Erica. Say hi to the camera. Quinn going for the jump? Nope. God, so if I land this. Oh! At least we got it on camera. Let's continue. Yep, the whole thing. I've already fallen a few times. It's all good though. It's the little first person. There's Nobu falling. What's new? Say hi to the camera. Now, do I go on the... Oh, there's Allie. Whoa, there's rocks. And trees. Whoop. Oh, Allie's in trouble. She's good. And we continue. A little stuck up right now. Yeah, the camera. Oh shit! Oh! Dodged it. Got noobs coming down the hill. Erica, stylish. And noobs falls. This is the blooper reel, don't worry about it. Dude, I'm doing the whole run. Oh. Oh, fuck. That's the sex tricky style. There's Ryan bitching as always. What's new?
Bitching as always.
Oh.
I'm Johnny somewhere, not as always.
Speed bumps.
Yo, John, what are the guys in IU doing?
Yeah, they're sleepy and that's what they're doing. Oh! A little love tap from Ryan.
It's on.
Karma's a bitch though. Quinn?
Yo.
There we go. And we're coming out. Oh, Ryan falls! Eat shit!
Man, that fast? Damn, that's the fastest I've ever seen you go.